Veterinary authorities in the Bono East region are on high alert over a possible outbreak of avian influenza, popularly known as bird flu, in the region. Regional Veterinary Officer Dr. Anthony Osetutu, in an interview with Joy News, noted district officers in the region have been instructed to put in monitoring mechanisms to prevent an outbreak of the disease in the region. There's more in the following report.
Veterinary authorities in the Bono East region are instituting measures capable of preventing the outbreak of avian influenza, popularly known as bird flu, in the region. Regional Veterinary Officer Dr. Anthony Osetutu told Joy News that the department is monitoring the influx of birds into the region as well as the condition of birds within the various farms across the region.
To date, 5 regions in the country have recorded cases of outbreak of bird flu, namely Greater Accra region, Volta region, Central region, Western North and Ashanti region. Bono East region so far has not recorded avian influenza. I have tasked my district officers to be on the alert and look out for farms which are recording high mortality rates so that they will send samples to us. They will further send it to Accra Veterinary Laboratory for further testing to authenticate whether we have the outbreak of the virus, that is bird flu, in our region or not.
The department is also organizing sensitization workshops for farmers to educate them on various preventive measures to save their farms from the possible outbreak of the flu.
Plans are afoot to organize sensitization programs, education programs, to advise them on measures that they've got to put in place to prevent the virus, that is a bird flu virus, from affecting their birds. We have started at the official office level, and sooner than later we'll move to radio stations. We'll organize training workshop for them to ensure that they go by the biosecurity measures to ensure that bird flu is prevented from our region.
Dr. Anthony Osetutu, however, cautioned the public to consume only well-cooked chicken and chicken products to stay safe from infections.
I have to say emphatically that in this era where we have outbreak of bird flu in other regions which haven't gotten to my region, Bono East, yet, I'll say to all the public that they can consume chicken and chicken products, but except that they must be very well cooked before they consume them. We know that the virus, bird flu, the infection is of viral origin, and the virus dies at temperature between 60 and 70. And we know that well-cooked foods, chicken and chicken product, is at 100 degrees Celsius. So that if we adhere to such regulation that we must cook them very well at 100 degrees, the virus would have died, and therefore the product becomes suitable for consumption.
Reporting for Joy News, Anas Sabit, Tichiman.